Magandang laban. Luzon versus Bukidnon. Ano objection? Objection. Wala overjump. Makukuha. Okay. Up. Wala. Okay, expert class final. So managan dia Kimboy Pineda, Earl Olario, Michelin Rivera, JC Pineda, Stanley Nunez, Ray Ray Bait 8, Jeric Mitra. So manay managan sa expert category here in Cotabato City. Tuwara, gibuya na. Wow! Oy, oy! Munti ka na doon. All shot. Hop! Ayan, Michelin Rivera. Jeric Mitra, Kimboy. Michelin Rivera on the lead. Tuwara! Wow! Jeric Mitra and Ray Ray Baitit. Magandang laban. Michelin Rivera on the lead. Jeric Mitra, Ray Ray Baitit. Oy! Kimboy Pineda, Stanley, Jesse and Earl Olario. Ilang kayo ni Kalaps. Tuwara, Michelin Rivera, Ray Ray Baitit and Jeric Mitra. Ayun, no? Wow. Ayan, magandang laban. Ayan, Michelin Rivera. Hop! Ray Ray Baitit and Jeric Mitra. Wow. Still on the lead, the Hunter. Objection. Kimboy Pineda. Oy! Stanley Nunez sa inside. Outside Kimboy. Oy! Nakuha! Kimboy na ikalima. Ikaapat. Stanley. Magandang laban. Oh! Grabe! Lagi ang lupad. Bye! Fly away. Still on the lead pa rin. Michelin Rivera. Approaching triple. Grabe bay. Grabe pang mangtas Michelin Rivera bay. Inside Jeric Mitra, outside Ray Ray. Inside Stanley, outside Kimboy. Objection. Oh, no objection. Grabe. Magandang laban, expert category. Michelin Rivera na mamayagpag. Walang kahirap-hirap, Michelin Rivera. Inside Stanley. Approaching objection. Wow. Objection. Wow. Tuwara. Michelin Rivera gihapon. Dikit ang bakbakan Jeric Mitra and Ray Ray Baitit. Dikit ang laban. Ayun, no? Ray Ray Baitit versus Jeric Mitra. But Michelin Rivera unti-unti nang lumalayo itong dalawa. Inside Jeric Mitra, outside Ray Ray. Outside Stanley. Grabe obstruction bay. Imong highway ni Michelin Rivera. Ray by 8. Grabe. Magandang laban. Si Hunter unti-unti nang lumalayo, pero Jeric Mitra and Ray by 8 nagpupukpukan pa rin. Magandang laban, Bukidnon versus Manila. Ayun o. Michelin Rivera leading on the way. Inside Jeric Mitra, outside Ray. Oops. Grabe. Magandang laban. Ayan, dumidikit na Ray by 8 kay Jeric Mitra. Ay! Oops! Ayun. Still Jeric Mitra on second. Still Jeric Mitra. Ayaw bumigay Jeric Mitra. Ayaw bumigay. Inside Michi. Triple loop. Outside Ray. Inside Jeric. Ayun o. Grabe, objection. Ay, anong nangyari? Napalong kay Michelin Rivera. Okay. Anong nangyari? Nang nawala sa eksena si Michelin Rivera. Anong nangyari kay Michelin Rivera? Sayang na sayang. Ayan. Jeric Mitra na ulit. Nawala sa eksena kay Hunter. Anong nangyari sa motor niya? Pag hindi para sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo. Ayun o. Still on the lead. Ayun! Wow! Grabe! Magandang laban. Luzon versus Bukidnon. Luzon versus Mindanao. Luzon versus Mindanao. Outside. Jeric Mitra, it's from 87 Racing. From Manila. No objection. Overjump. Makukuha. Okay. Up. Wala. Gilingi pa Jeric Mitra si Ray. Dikit ang bakbakan. Yan, magandang laban. Luzon versus Mindanao. Outside Mindanao, inside Luzon. Ayan, nawala na. Hindi na nakabalik si Michelin Rivera. Stanley Nunez on third. Ayun. Oops. Outside. Inside. Malayong-malayo pa tayo guys. Malayong-malayo pa tayo. Ayaw talaga bumigay Jeric Mitra. Still on the lead. outside. Rai, inside. Derek Mitra. Wow. Grabe, ganito yung mambakan. Parang white flag na by Jirik Mitra. White flag, white flag. White flag by Jirik Mitra. Last lap. Oh, bongkong gani. Unsa, unsa, unsa. Oy, unsa. Bongkong lang. Oh. White flag, white flag. Still on the lead from 87 Racing. Jirik Mitra. Jirik Mitra on the lead, followed by Rai by 8. And the third is Stanley Nonyesa, Gameboy JC, and Earl Olario. Yan po yung standing natin guys. And then waiting for checkered flag, Jirik Mitra. Waiting for checkered flag. Yan, champion. I think it's Jirik Mitra. Ayan, expert category. Checkered, checkered, checkered. Third is Stanley Nonyesa. Magandang laban. So, Kimboy Pineda on fourth, and JC and... Ah, nalaktot ka! Ayan, checkered flag, checkered flag.